How to get the new Snapchat update on iPhone. First of all, you'll need to open up the Snapchat app. Then you want to click on the top left hand corner where you see the face of your Bitmoji. Then on the next page, you want to click on the top right hand corner with a little cog icon. That's going to bring up the settings page. Once you're on there, scroll all the way down to the bottom, then click log out. Then click log out again in the middle of the screen. Then you want to go over to the App Store on your iPhone. Once you're on the App Store, go ahead and type in Snapchat. Then you should see the app pop up and with a little blue icon next to it. For me, it says open because I've already got the new update. But for you, it should say update. You want to click on that, wait for the update to download and install on your iPhone. Then go back into the Snapchat app, click login. Then you should see the new update. If for whatever reason this doesn't work for you, there's no update button or you clicked update and it's not got the version you want it to, unfortunately you will have to wait because with some different devices and places around the world, the update isn't delivered to you as soon as other places. So unfortunately we'll have to wait. But if it did work for you, leave a like, subscribe and comment down below.